Great God, you are the great God. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. We're going to be learning a worship song by the Loveworld singers, Great God, and we're going to be playing it in a key of F. Alright, so before the song, I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed. If this is your first day of watching, I'd like to thank you for watching and subscribing. And I have lessons for beginners, and it's in a playlist. I'll be leaving the link in the description box so you can also participate in it. And the last thing is I'm entreating everyone who is watching to join my membership, or probably financially contribute to the ongoing project that I'm doing for a studio, so that instead of changing and doing setup every day, I can have a permanent studio that I'll be using to teach songs, from keyboard, vocals to any other instrument that you want to learn. All right, so thank you for being a part of this channel, and let's start. All right, so it's from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same. Your praises fill my heart always. So from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. Alright, so it starts from a chord 1. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. So a chord 1, then you do a chord 5, you can do a 3 to 4, then you do a 6, so let's try it. Chord 1, from the rising of the sun, 5, to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. So I'm playing a sus 2 here. Alright, from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. Then the next part. Great God, you are the great God. Great God, you are the great God. Alright, so what I did here, alright, so it's just a 1, 3, 7, 2, 6, 1, 5, 7, then 4, like that. I'm going to be having a tutorial with you where from 1 you move to 7, you move to a 4 to a 7, like this, then to a 3, 6, and then a 2, and then a 5, a 1. There's this principle that we're going to be learning. All right, so from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. Alright, so you can, from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, your praises fill my heart, oh God. Great God, you the great God, great God. You are the great God. All right, so thank you for this, for being a part of this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.